Always consult your use and care guide and owner's manual for additional information.
A special adapter must be installed on the faucet before the dishwasher can be connected. Remove the screen holder or aerator, screen, and washer from the end of the faucet. Use the faucet adapter kit that came with your portable dishwasher to modify the faucet where the dishwasher will be used. Insert the screen and the thin washer from the faucet adapter kit into the faucet adapter. Attach the adapter onto the end of the faucet. Run water at the faucet until it is hot. Turn off the water. Pull the hoses out of their storage compartment on the back of the dishwasher. Make sure the hoses are not kinked or twisted. Kinked hoses reduce washing performance. To connect the hose to the faucet, pull down on the locking collar while lifting the hose connector onto the faucet adapter. When the connector snaps into place, release the locking collar. Turn the hot water on slowly until it is all the way on.
Warning: electrical shock hazard. Plug into a grounded 3-prong outlet. Do not remove ground prong. Do not use an adapter. Do not use an extension cord. Failure to follow these instructions can result in death, fire, or electrical shock.
Next, plug the washer into an electrical outlet. To use the faucet, you can draw water from the faucet while the dishwasher is connected. Do not draw water while the dishwasher is filling or while water is being pumped out. Press the red button on the hose connector to draw water from the faucet. The faucet is set on hot. Adjust the faucet for the water temperature you want. To disconnect dishwasher, turn off the hot water. This can be done after the last rinse. Press the red button on the connector to release the water pressure. Lift slightly on the hose connector while pulling down the locking collar. Pull down on the connector. Empty any remaining water from the connector by turning the connector upside down. Unplug the power supply cord and return it to the storage compartment. Next, return the hoses to the storage compartment.